Hi, this is a video on how to fit double cap rivets with our hand tool set. First, here I have some faux leather. We're going to punch our hole using this tool set. I'll fold the leather over. I'll place my hole punch where I want the hole to go and I'll hammer that through. I'll take my rivet with the stem. I'll push that through the hole that I just made with the stem poking out on the other side. I'll push my cap on top of the stem so it sits like that. I'll place that down onto the anvil that is supplied in the tool set, and I will take my fixing tool and I'll pop that on top of the cap and we'll hammer this through. Now we should have a permanent fixing.